In today's deep dive, we're exploring everything there is to know about the Apple Watch Ultra 3, Apple's highly anticipated next-generation smartwatch set to launch in September 2025. This release marks an exciting return to Apple's more predictable annual update rhythm, especially after skipping an Ultra model in 2024. Slated to arrive alongside the iPhone 17, Apple Watch Series 11, and the more budget-friendly Apple Watch SE 3, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is shaping up to be one of the most reliable wearables Apple has ever designed. Now, let's break down all the confirmed features, speculative upgrades, and the technological refinements that make this an exciting wearable for athletes, adventurers, and tech enthusiasts alike. According to consistent reports from trusted insider Mark Gurman, Apple is expected to unveil the Apple Watch Ultra 3 during its annual September event, a launch window that aligns with the company's established product cycle. After an unexpected break in 2024 with no Ultra model, 2025 is bringing the Ultra series back into the spotlight. The device will likely be showcased alongside other flagship products during a special keynote that will set the tone for Apple's entire ecosystem heading into the fall and holiday seasons. When it comes to pricing, current forecasts suggest that the Apple Watch Ultra 3 will maintain the same $799 starting price seen in the Ultra 2. This pricing strategy reflects Apple's commitment to offering high-end wearable tech without making drastic cost increases year over year. For users who want top-tier performance, premium materials, and advanced features, the Ultra 3 is expected to offer serious value in the premium smartwatch space. One of the early rumors surrounding the Apple Watch Ultra 3 hinted at the potential introduction of micro-LED display technology, a major leap in visual fidelity and efficiency. However, those plans have reportedly been postponed until a future release, possibly due to manufacturing complexities or cost concerns. Instead, Apple is said to be equipping the Ultra 3 with a refined LTPO3 OLED panel, an improvement over the iPhone's already impressive screen in the Ultra 2. This upgraded display technology will offer up to 40% brighter visuals, enhanced contrast levels, and better visibility under harsh sunlight, all while maintaining Apple's industry-leading energy efficiency. The screen will always remain always on, making it easier to glance at real-time data while training, hiking, or working out. Visually, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is expected to stay true to the industrial, rugged look of its predecessor. The Ultra series has carved out its identity with its titanium case, flat sapphire display, and extra action button, so Apple is unlikely to fix what isn't broken. That said, whispers from the supply chain indicate Apple may introduce a revised metal back housing, which could bring with it better wireless charging support and stronger cellular signal performance. These subtle hardware tweaks are part of Apple's ongoing push to optimize real-world performance, rather than reinvent the wheel every year. The real performance upgrade lies inside. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 will reportedly be powered by a brand new S10 chip, replacing the previous S9 processor found in the Ultra 2. This chip promises faster processing speeds, better energy management, and more efficient app execution, especially when paired with watchOS 12. Expect smoother performance during workouts, faster Siri responsiveness, and enhanced processing for health tracking, map rendering, and third-party apps. This new chip also paves the way for deeper AI integrations within Apple's ecosystem. Apple has been slowly ramping up its on-device machine learning capabilities, and the S10 could be a key part of that strategy. In terms of connectivity, the Ultra 3 will introduce support for a low-power 5G modem, offering reduced latency and better streaming support, even in remote locations. Moreover, Apple is incorporating satellite connectivity features, primarily focused on emergency messaging, location sharing, and enhanced SOS functionality in areas without cellular coverage. This is a major win for users who enjoy outdoor activities, like hiking, trail running, mountaineering, or even deep-sea diving. The Ultra 3 is poised to become the most reliable outdoor smartwatch in Apple's lineup thanks to its improved GPS, stronger antenna array, and expanded emergency communication capabilities. One of the most exciting features rumored for the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is the inclusion of blood pressure monitoring, which would be a game-changer for anyone interested in preventative health. Reports suggest this system will be able to detect early signs of hypertension, offering subtle nudges and Alerts through the revamped health app that will debut with iOS 19. Combined with existing features like heart rate variability, ECG, blood oxygen monitoring, and the new sleep apnea detection algorithm, the Ultra 3 will likely become one of the most comprehensive health trackers on the market. Additionally, integration with Apple's fitness services such as Fitness Plus, cycle tracking, and the Mindfulness app will be enhanced for a more holistic approach to well-being. While no official numbers are out yet, rumors suggest the Apple Watch Ultra 3 may slightly improve upon the already solid battery life of the Ultra 2. The combination of the LTPO3 OLED panel, S10 chip, and software optimizations in watchOS 12 is expected to extend real-world usage by an additional 2 to 4 hours, depending on usage. With multi-day durability already being a highlight of the Ultra series, any additional battery gains will make this watch even more appealing for ultra-endurance athletes, long-distance travelers, and anyone constantly on the move. And don't worry, military-grade durability, water resistance up to 100 meters, and EN 13319 dive certification will still be present, ensuring this device holds up under the most intense conditions. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 will launch with watchOS 12, which is set to offer smarter widgets, deeper Siri integration, and support for AI-driven notifications that help predict user intent. Paired with iOS 19, Apple aims to create a seamless experience between devices, using on-device intelligence to offer personalized insights. This includes things like suggesting hydration reminders based on sweat loss, calculated via heart rate and temperature sensors, prompting wind-down routines based on sleep goals, or even recommending breaks if your stress metrics spike. 4. Enterprise and productivity users. New tools for fieldwork, offline dictation, and emergency coordination via satellite will make the Ultra 3 an excellent companion for more than just fitness. Compared to other rugged smartwatches like the Garmin, Fenix 8, Suunto Vertical, or Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 focuses less on pure endurance metrics and more on balanced usability, health tracking, and smart features. While it may not last as long on a single charge as some of its solar-powered rivals, it excels in ecosystem integration and real-time intelligence.